Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to make a sweet potato casserole. Mine is going to have a little bit of a Spanish and Asian twist. To find out how I make this dish, please keep watching and come cook with me. Thanks. The ingredients for the sweet potato casserole will be sweet potatoes. I'm using 2. I have a half of a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder and a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 egg. I will need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. I have 3/4 of a cup of milk and marshmallows, some salt, and the sugar that I'm using is Piloncillo. To start, I am going to prep the ingredients. This is just like making a mashed potato. We're just going to peel and cube and boil our potato. To prepare the piloncillo, it's very easy. All you have to do is chop it. Just like you would with like palm sugar, but you just kind of shave it. You can also use like a cheese grater or box grater. I'd say it's that much of a cup, and I'm gonna add all of this to that potato mixture. When the sweet potatoes are done boiling, just add everything to the pot. I'm just going to add the milk and the egg. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter, all of the spices, and the piloncillo. And then I'm just going to whisk until everything is nice and combined together really well and the potatoes are nice and smooth. Make sure to season the mixture with some salt. That's just going to round out those sweet flavors really nicely. And then mix it all together. And just keep mixing until it's nice and smooth. Pouring into a buttered casserole dish, and this one is a 2-quart pan. Baking at 350 for 45 minutes to 1 hour. The sweet potato is fresh out of the oven. I am so excited to try this. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This is my very first time making a sweet potato casserole. Usually we have the ambition of wanting to make it, and then the day of the event comes and we just throw the sweet potatoes in the oven and kind of do like a baked potato instead of doing this. I am so excited to try this. You have like a hint of spice from the 5 spice, and I did put quite a bit of cinnamon in it for the amount of potato that I used, but it is not overpowering whatsoever. The Piloncillo is a slightly sweet addition. Sweet potatoes are sweet on their own, and this is just a nice, it's not like too sweet. I think I have had this before where it was just very sweet, and it's not something I can have a lot of. This is not the case. This is very well balanced, and I am so glad that I made it. It is so good. Wow. I feel like I can't stop eating this now. Oh my god, so good. Wow. I'm definitely making this for my family when we go to a holiday party. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and being here, and I will catch you on the next video. Have a great day.